Have you noticed your balance is not as strong as before? With age, walking can feel a little less steady. You may feel like you need more support or that your steps are not as confident. This happens because the muscles that help you balance become weaker over time. The good news is simple. You can improve balance again with easy daily practice. Let's start with one simple test. Balance test. One leg stand. Stand straight on a flat floor. Lift one foot off the ground and try to stand on the other leg. Keep your body straight and look at one point in front of you. You can hold a chair if needed. Try to stay up as long as you can. When your foot touches the ground or you lose balance, stop. This shows your current balance level. Now let's do 3 easy exercises to improve balance. 1. One leg stand training movement. Stand tall and slowly lift one knee upward in front of you. Do not rush the movement. Hold for a second, then lower it back down with full control. Keep your core tight, your hips steady, and avoid swaying. Repeat 10 times on each leg. This exercise trains your body to stay stable when standing on one leg, which is essential for walking and climbing stairs safely. 2. Side leg raises. Stand near a chair or wall for light support. Keep your body straight and lift one leg out to the side without leaning your upper body. Pause briefly at the top, then lower slowly. The movement should be controlled, not fast or swinging. Repeat 10 times per side. This strengthens the hip stabilizer muscles, which are very important for preventing falls during walking and turning. 3. Heel-to-toe rocks. Stand with feet about hip-width apart. Slowly rise up onto your toes, feeling your calves activate, then gently lower down and shift back onto your heels, lifting your toes slightly. Move slowly and smoothly without jerking. This exercise strengthens the lower legs and improves ankle stability, which plays a major role in balance control. If you practice these movements daily for just 10 to 15 minutes, your body gradually relearns stability. Over time, walking feels more secure, movements become smoother, and confidence returns step by step.